What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another Mpow product. This one is the Mpow Flame2. First off, it's got a 4.5 star rating on Amazon and it's only 26 bucks, but if you use the discount code right here, or I'll leave that down below, it's only gonna be about $19.19. So the price seems to be pretty good. Let's see how well it turns out. Now first off, this is IPX7 waterproof, which means it can be submerged underwater. So yeah, we'll test that out. It is running Bluetooth 5.0. It has an operation range of 33 feet. You get 12 to 15 hours of music playback or talk time. It does have pretty quick charging of 2 hours and a standby time of 300 hours, which is nice. It does have dual connection, so you can connect it up to 2 devices simultaneously. Oh, cool. Comes in a nice little pouch. Got some paperwork. Oh, okay. Oh, those are clean. I like the way those look. All right, so we got plenty of little accessories. 2 different sets of ear wings plus the ones that are actually on the unit. And then you've got different ear cups. You get the memory foam, and then you get the small, medium, and large. And I'm guessing this is somewhere in between there. And then you've got a wire clip to keep things organized, along with a very short USB to micro USB adapter. All right, so first off, we've got the cable is a flat style cable. You got black on one side, red on the other. I really like the logo design that they went with on this one. I like that. It's like a brushed aluminum little plate. It's pretty clean. Then you got a up and down volume, probably next to previous track as well. That is a button, so I'm guessing that is the multi-function button for pairing and turning it on and off. Then you've got a micro USB port for charging. Now they do have a nice flappy ear hook so they don't fall off, along with the wing and the earbud itself, but it does have the delicious ergonomic curve, which is always a plus, especially with sports earbuds, because you got a lot of mobility, you want to be comfortable. Very clean design. I really like the color scheme they got going on. I have a feeling these are gonna, oh yeah. Oh man, the combination of the little wings with the hook and the curve, that is a perfect fit. Oh, super clean. It's good. Okay, so the left one is not a button, but this one is. Power on, pairing. There we go, Mpow Flame2. It says connected, nice, quick connection. Yep. Pause. Pause works. Wow, these get loud. They have a nice range of volume, and I cranked it all the way up, no distortion, very clean sound. It's doing a good job keeping up with the bass. I mean, this is, you know, an extreme version of bass, that's why I use it, but it's nice and smooth. It doesn't really crackle. It's not like super powerful. They're not, you know, large headphones or sports earbuds, but they have a really good range of sound, like all the way through, highs, mids, and lows. They're very well equalized. All right, let's try this. Hey, props to whoever made that. I should have found that a long time ago. That's spot on. 0 latency. Whoa, that's loud. Back pocket test. Oh. Oh, yeah, I just butt skipped. No skipping. Back pocket does good. All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. Turn that down just a little bit. I'll be right back. Hey, that is not bad. That is not bad. I actually got about 50 feet and then it just kind of skipped for a second, but then it caught the connection again and it just kept going. Like, these have a good connection. If you're using these for sports, maybe you play basketball or something, maybe you're in the gym or outside even, set your phone down, you could probably move around pretty freely. I'm in a closed environment, so I would assume in an open environment, you'd get even more distance out of it. These aren't bad. So far, so good. Let's check the phone. Hello? Hey, what's up, girl? What's up, girl? What's up? What's up? You guys can't hear her, but she's saying the same thing back to me. We're doing this thing. It's an inside thing. you don't get it. You guys aren't in on it. Anyway, I'm testing some headphones out. How do I sound? You sound pretty good. I sound a little quiet, but good. Oh, like I'm on a speakerphone. All right. I'm pretty impressed. I like them. I haven't seen these type of earwings before. They're very comfortable. I don't feel like any kind of pressure. They have a very nice give on them. And with that curve, they fit perfectly in my ear. They're definitely ergonomic. Now they say that it catches every detail. It's got rich sound and crystal clear listening experience. And if that was their goal, they met their goal. for sure. $19.19? Yeah, I would say these are a big winner. These smaller companies, man, I'm telling you, they're moving up. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg to get quality sound out of your earbuds. Not only that, but they're also waterproof. Let's test that. I totally forgot. I'll be right back. All right. Yet again, I've got the Ninja Blender. Hear it? It's on. Can you guys hear it? It's still going. Yeah, they sound great. Oh, they're cold. My ears are all wet now. Yeah, all right, well, they're definitely waterproof. Yeah, you're looking for some sports wireless earbuds on a budget. You know, this is a good way to do that. I think these are a must-have. You're gonna get your $20 worth out of these for sure, no doubt. Good job, Mpow. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below along with the discount code. Definitely jump on this while you can, while they're still only 20 bucks. But anyway, I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.